So, maybe next year is when he's in grade 2, makapag, na ako, kasi yung wala akong trabaho. Ang ano ko lang is, minsan may racket ako na mga monkey business, like, selling online, and then, ako ng furnitures, nagsusupply ako ng lumbers, in the furnitures, na marunong ako mag-scale. Yun ako, konti lang yung mga kahoy, scale. Yung scaler by 6, 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 6 by 7, mga ganon. 12, divide by 12. Ganun lang. Kinukuha ko yung board fit. Marunong ako. Kasi, yan ang business ko. So, last time, I worked as secretary in the capital. At the, what you call this? Capital province. But, so sad. Hindi ako na regular because nagtapos ako ng pag-aaral for 4 years, Bachelor of Science sa Computer Science, kasi uso pa yung computer noon. So, ngayon, dati kasi gusto kong mag-nurse. So, wala kami, mahirap lang kami. So, kumuha ako ng Computer Science. So, natapos ko yung 4 years, tapos nag-work ako sa secretary. And then, kasi hindi ako na-regular, hindi ako nakapasa ng civil service. Siguro wala sa akin yung gano'n na iba yung palalakad ng buhay ko. Walang linya ko dun. So, dito na lang ako nagpo-focus sa online. Ganito, sa vlog. Kasi nag-try ako. So, natanggap ko na lang ako ng YT. So, natanggap ako last year, simula nung na-demonetize ako na while malakas yung mga subscriber ko na nanonood palagi. Kasi 3 months ako na demonetize. So, sorry guys na boring yung live ko. Pero, sinasabi ko, I talk here what happened to me in last March, April, May. I'm back on monetization at the June last week, June 24, and June, July, August, September, 4 months, two salary I get. But now, since I demonetize, my views get down because yung nag-viral na videos ko is nililit ko kasi I can't apply monetization where that video is there because my issue in my channel is sexually gratifying content. Ito yung nag-live ako na nakita yung panty ko sa paglalangkod. Marami akong views doon, nag-million views, 2 million views yung nag-apply ako. Basta yung mga most videos ko is yung mga doon 60, kaya doon biglang umangat yung subscriber ko na si YouTube na yung review. Yun nangyari. Kasi ito na lang kasi yung pinabubuhay ng anak ko. As now, na busy ako. So, pag ng anak ko, grade 1 pa lang siya. So, for the meantime, ito muna. And then, business everywhere. And meron din akong apps na iba na pinagkaablahan. Hindi na doon nalalaman ko na ito since na-demonetize ako, hindi pa pwede. It's not really good when you are relying on one platform. You need to get more because when one is going down, you have another extra. Just like when you get a flat on your motor, you get 2 extra time to get moving on forward. Okay, you do understand? So, mag-comment kayo, mag-comment. You guys should comment. Wait. The comments are not clear. I don't know why. Oh, here. Blur camera. Blur pa rin. Oh my gosh.